Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are presenting 10 lines on National Unity Day. So let us start. The National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st of October every year, which is the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel had put an example of unity to the nation by uniting the princely states after independence. National Unity Day, also known as the Rashtriya Ekta Diwas, was introduced by the Government of India in 2014. The Government of India had inaugurated the Statue of Unity on this day in 2018. The day was started with an aim to spread the message of unity among Indians. It is the best day to remember the efforts and achievements of the Iron Man of India. On this day, the ministers from different parties gather to pay homage to Sardar Patel, and statues of Sardar Patel across the country are decorated with flowers. Since 2014, every year on 31st of October, a nationwide marathon is organized to raise awareness about National Unity Day and to remember Sardar Patel, named Run for Unity. Educational institutes organize essay or speech competitions for students on this day. The best way to celebrate the day is forget our personal differences and stay united always. So friends, if you like the video, then please like and share the video and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.